Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to... Why so serious?
this is a serious Tasty Find, because today we're tasting strawberry and vanilla flavored pretzels.
Yes, so this is something that dropped in for the summertime from Trader Joe's, and it's marketed as teeny tiny pretzels covered and drizzled with a yogurt candy coating. I don't know about you. Well, I guess I do know about you. You just said it. This sounds disgusting. It sounds disgusting to me. I'm sorry.
I didn't say that.
Anyway.
That was her.
I know. What did you say?
I said, these are going to be seriously delicious.
Okay, let's see who's going to be right on this. All right, 10 pretzels. Oh, 10 pretzels is a serving size for 130 calories.
7 serving sizes, meaning you'll get about 70 pretzels per bag.
This looks like it has no nutritional value whatsoever.
Huh? No, there's a lot.
Oh, yeah.
You have yogurt.
Yeah, the first...
Candy coating.
My mother always said the first three ingredients usually tell you what this is. And the first 3 ingredients on
I'll read
this,
them off for you.
Go for it.
We have fresh yogurt. We have lettuce. And we have tomatoes.
No. We have yogurt candy coating, which is made of sugar, not good for you. Palm kernel oil, no bueno. And you have whey powder. Let's get to it, okay? So, as Tank is opening this up, want to let you know that if you by any chance like what you see and want to get more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down below and give it a thumbs up. Let people know that you were here. Anyway, oh wow, the look on your face. Rams, he doesn't like the smell. Bolts don't like the way it sounds. Let's see, this is Rams versus Chargers. Let's see which one works.
The Rams made it to the playoffs way more times than the Chargers. So
hey.
That's how.
Okay, take a look. Take a look at this. It's really tiny. We're going to compare it to my finger. Look at that. Very small. Ready to give it a try?
Yes.
Crunchy. A little salt there on the pretzel. I taste the flavorings of the yogurt. Okay. We're going to rate this 1 to 4. 1 meaning we'll give it a hard pass if we see it in the stores. A 4 means it's okay. We'll give it a try. We'll buy it again. Not bad. I've taken 1 and I do not want to have another one. I have to tell you the pretzel was very crunchy. The yogurt was, as most yogurt covered things are, sweet enough. The strawberry was okay. On a scale of 1 to 4, I give this a 1. I will not buy this again. No way, no way. It just doesn't taste right.
I'm just going to say, you're not buying these again, you're missing out on the delicious strawberry yogurt flavor covered pretzels. It's a really good mixture. The strawberry really presents itself really well with all of the pretzels. I've tested them multiple times, just right now. Strawberry, yogurt, and the salty pretzel underneath, they all mix and combine to make this amazing flavor.
So you give this a what?
I give it a 4.
You give it a 4. I will give it a second try. But not a 4 for me. I need some water. I gotta be honest. It tastes like crunchy, sweet stuff. Nothing really, I mean, it's okay. It's not terrible, but I won't buy it again. I think this retails about $3, $2.99. A lot of little snacks that Trader Joe's come out with, especially if it's going to be a seasonal thing, they tend to keep the price point pretty low. It's like around $3. Seldom do you find something that's higher than that, and usually if it's higher than that, it's because they use some expensive ingredients or something, or it's organic, or they went to, some remote village in some, distant country, and they use, small supply. So anyway, I won't buy it again, but I give it a 1. He gives it a 4. So I'm glad that you have your own money. So that is it. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Don't take our word for it. Go to your local
if you're part of
Trader
the
Joe's.
Yogurt Squad, drop a like in the comment section down below. Wait, no! Drop a like in the description down below, subscribe to the channel, and comment what you want us to taste next, or from a store you want us to taste something from next.
Yes.
And you're part of the anti-yogurt squad, the cringe squad, the bad squad. Do all the same things. You're not a bad person, you just don't like yogurt. That's all there is to it.
That makes a lot of sense, really, it does. Okay, there it is. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.